What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna be reacting to a Washington style video, and I'm just gonna be critiquing the video and then, you know, throw some stuff in there, some stuff in there. If I see some stuff that I don't like, then I'm gonna say it, alright? And I'm gonna tell y'all exactly how I feel. Guys, right before we get into this video, man, I wanna say I highly appreciate you guys for helping me get to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. All glory to the Most High. Big shout out to 26 King Wavy for hitting 10,000 followers on Instagram. That's a big accomplishment. Congrats, my boy 26 King Wavy. 26, you feel me? 26, you feel me? Congrats, bro. You worked hard for that, man. And also, guys, my barber, Clutcher the Barber, he got hacked at 5,000 followers on Instagram. Sadly, you know, them hackers don't play, man. They just trying to hack your business and just try to do nonsense. But y'all, please help him get back up to where he left off. Let's get him to 1,000 followers. His Instagram is here, and I'm gonna have his Instagram linked in my description, guys. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Yeah, let's get it.
Me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, so big shout out to Elite Eli, feel me? I subscribed, I like the video and everything right before we get started. So this is how to get 360 waves Washington style method. So I have Eli's original video linked in my description as well. If y'all want to subscribe, go subscribe to his channel. But let's start with this video. It's only 9 minutes long, man. 9 minutes. I ain't gonna watch this whole thing. Alright, let's get it, Eli. Okay, do-rag, spray bottle. Okay. Of course, you need a mirror. A desangling brush. What about your wait? What about your brush, like your medium brush? You need the medium brush to actually get progress in. The detangling brush is not gonna help you get any progress. So what's the point? Detangling brush is actually detangling your hair, and then the regular brush is actually helping you with the progress. So whatever you're doing, I hope you have a medium brush in there at least to get some progress, man. Or else you just washing your hair for no reason, or just to take out the products. Alright. That's a mistake right there, Eli. I don't know how long you've been waving for, but us wavers, man, well, I don't know if everybody do it, but the professionals, the elite, they actually clean their hair. They scrimble everything so they can actually get the cleanse. You feel me? You don't just do that on the first wash. The first wash, you gotta really, don't be scared. You're not gonna lose your waves. Your waves gonna still be there. You gotta scrimble, take all the products out, all the dirt. Feel me? That's the first wash. The first wash, you don't just, you know, lay it down. That's the second wash you do that, or the third wash. Alright, so he said you don't get a good lather the first wash. The first wash, you never get a good lather. He said he doesn't get a good lather, but don't worry about it, it's gonna get there. I'm not gonna play this because he has music playing in the background. I don't want to get copyrighted, guys. But he said it's gonna get there. So he doesn't know why the shampoo is not lathering up the first time. The first time the shampoo is not lathering up because it's actually cleansing your hair. It's taking out the dirt, it's taking out the products, and it's not gonna lather up the first time. You feel me? The second time around, it starts to lather up because your hair is more clean now. It's a lot cleaner. That's why. Alright, he got the detangling shower brush. He going in with the detangling shower brush the first time, like, bro. Alright, let's see what it's headed. Alright, put your shampoo in now. Now you start seeing lather because the dirt is out of your hair. You don't have any dirt in your hair. You don't have any products in there. So now it starts to lather up. But I really want to see a regular brush added to this so you could progress even better. You feel me? And also, it don't look like you wolf, man. Your waves are super tiny. It don't look like you be wolfing, man. And if you do wolf, you probably wolf for like 6 weeks. That's nothing. That's baby wolf right there, bro. You gotta wolf for at least 8 weeks. 8 weeks to be part of the elite club, man. That's how long you gotta wolf for. Alright, I see great lather, boy. I see great lather. I love that. You know I love to see that lather, man. The back not lathering up, though. Alright, what you about to do, bro? Alright, so rinse it out. Conditioner. He adding the conditioner. Bro, his waves are over curled. They're not even laid because he keeps using that detangling shower brush. You gotta go in with that medium firm brush to lay your hair down. I want to see them results, man. That's what I want to see. Alright, he rinsed the conditioner out. Oh, so he did the shampoo, conditioner, rinse that out, and now he's gonna put shampoo back in his head. Wow, bro. So you did shampoo to clean all the dirt out and take all the natural oils out, conditioner to add moisture back into your head, shampoo to take the moisture back out of your hair and your scalp. You're confusing, bro. I ain't gonna sugarcoat. He confusing the crap out of me right now. Alright. Okay, he said put it back in your head and get a good brush session. Okay, I guess this is where you get the styling process. The wash and style. So he did the wash. Now he's about to do the styling process. Dang, I can't speak. But it's like no reason to put shampoo back in your hair. You might as well style with a conditioner, because the shampoo is really just gonna take all the oils back out of your hair, all the moisture that you just added with the conditioner. So it's like, what's the point? Yo, he probably took like 5 hours to wash his hair, bruh. Cause I know washing like takes a long time, man. Doing all this, plus he's recording, that's gonna probably took at least 5 hours. Oh boy, he's going back in with the detailing shower brush, man. Where's your medium firm brush? How you gonna lay your hair down? That's how you lay your hair down, man. Look, he dropping that jump. That's how you. Yo, he really blowing on that jump. He crazy, man. It's great lather, but there's no lay. You're not laying your hair down. All you're doing is lifting it up. And when you lift it up, that's how you get the over curls and stuff. And you're not really gonna get the results that you need or that you want when you're unragging after your hair is all dried up, after you rinse the conditioner and shampoo out of your hair and everything. You feel me? You're not really pulling your hair at this point. So you're not. The washing style really helps with progressing. Alright, helps you progress faster. But if you're using a detangling shower brush, you're not really pulling your hair. You're just basically running your finger through that junk. That's how wide the tooth of the detangling shower brush is. It may look like it's doing something, but it's really not. It's just massaging your scalp, and it's not pulling your hair at all. It's not pulling it, man. I really don't think he's gonna progress if he keeps this up. Okay, he's laying his hair down with his hand now. That's supposed to be done after, you know, you going with a medium brush, man. All right, so this is the mistake right there. So he went in with the shampoo the first time, conditioner, and then he went back in with a shampoo. What was the point of the conditioner? What was the point? There was 0 point of adding conditioner to your hair if you was gonna go back in with a shampoo to strip all that moisture out. And now he's gonna rag up and then rinse his hair out. And the video is almost done. Video's almost done. I want to see an unrag, bro. I want to see the results. That's what I want to see. Don't do this TikTok thing on me, man. It don't look like we got enough time for the results, but hey, man. Hey, man. Let me see. Oh, boy. Come on, Eli. Come on, Eli. I don't even want to watch this no more, man. I'm done. I don't even want to watch this no more, Eli. Hey, man, I want to give a big shout out to Eli. If y'all want to go subscribe to his channel, his link is down in my description, man. But that washing style wasn't even that bad, man. I told you I wasn't gonna sugarcoat nothing, and that's what I did. I told you everything that I found wrong, or my opinion on that video, and I just went for it, alright? And I also muted the video because it was a lot of music playing in the background, and I don't know if it was copyright content or not, so I'm just not gonna do that. But big shout out to Eli once again. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.